What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your email in PayPal. So just keep this in mind. You can enter multiple email in your PayPal, which means you can put multiple email in your PayPal. But remember, the main information and the main messages or like the main email is gonna be only sent to your primary email. So whether you have 5 email or 6 email attached to your PayPal, if it is not the primary email, it doesn't matter. Alright? So just keep that in mind. So let me show you the way on how you guys can change your email. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment and let's move on. So the first step is you want to go to paypal.com and log in into your account. And then click on this gear looking icon over here. Now once you do that, it's going to take you to the setting page. And over here where it says email, you want to click on where it says change. Now what you want to do is after you click on change, click on continue. Now once you do that, you need to add a new email. And after you add a new email for your PayPal like this, add a new email. And after you add and verify your new email, it's going to display 2 emails over here. Now once it displays 2 email, what you can do is where it says primary, you can change your primary email into the newer email which you added. So don't get confused. After you add a new email, you guys are going to have 2 email. And you want to change your newer email into the primary one. Once you do that, you can remove the one which is left, which is your older email. You can remove that. Alright? So that's the process on how you guys can change your email in PayPal. So hope you guys understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And bye bye everybody. Have a nice day.